All right, y'all, welcome back to my channel. And today is day 10. And I told y'all that when it gets to day number 7, it just seems like it flies by. So today is day number 10. We're going to go ahead and figure out what our theme is. So let's get to it. So we've got this. So we're going to shake, 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 and see if one pops out. Oh, we got 2 that popped out. So we're going to put them both back in there. 2 popped out, both back in there. And I'm going to shake it, so see if one pops out. See what we have. We've got December! Woohoo! So we got December, you guys. So we've got a bingo. So woohoo! So we've got a bingo. Yes. Woohoo! I don't know if Rosa has a bingo yet. I haven't watched. So, and I know that she's doing members only first. So I don't know if she's gotten a bingo yet or anything. So, but yeah, we've got a bingo. So woohoo! So today is number 10, and we've got a bingo. So woohoo! All right. So there we go. So I'll be back with my December. I don't know what it'll be, but something December. I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so we are on day 10, which is December, and I didn't know what to create. So I went ahead and decided to create a little home decor for December because, you know, it's Christmas and we always decorate our houses. So what I decided to do is grab these plastic wine cups that you get over at the Dollar Tree, okay? And these come apart just like this, and you are left with these little bottoms, right? Now, I did see this on Pinterest, and so when I saw it, I was like, oh, I want to make that so bad, and I have everything I need. So you're going to go ahead and paint these white, or you can leave them clear, or you could paint them red, green, whatever you want to paint them. I went ahead and painted mine already, and I'm going to go ahead and lift mine up, see if I can grab it. So I painted mine red. I'll probably have to put another coat on it. So here's one, and then I have the other one drying as well. So so you can do 2, you could do however many you want. And then you're going to need some Christmas bulbs. And what you're going to do is we're going to poke a skewer through the bulb, okay, in order to place this through a wooden skewer to create our decoration, okay. And so what we're going to do is, again, I have 2 bulbs. I have a red one, and then I have this silver one, and I'm going to demonstrate one for you on camera. So I'm going to go ahead, and you're going to grab your skewer, okay, and you're going to get it nice and hot, okay, just like this. And I know they say, you know, don't play with fire, but we're going to play with fire tonight. And you're just going to go ahead and fit it through here. Now, what I did is I turned mine. It's just going to open that plastic. Basically, you're just melting plastic. And so you're just going to continue to do that, just like that. And then I stuck mine through this way, and you're just going to go ahead and turn it. Okay. And you're going to turn it and turn it and turn it. And then you should start seeing like a little hole popping out right there, okay, and you can feel it with your hands. It's kind of warm, and you're just going to keep turning it, okay, until it pokes through. If it doesn't poke through, that's okay. Go ahead and warm this up again, just like so, okay. Find your little notch, and then go ahead and poke that through, and it should poke through. And then it should come out the other side. So you're going to go ahead and continue to do that until you get a big enough hole where your wooden skewer can fit through. Now, what I did is I turned my skewer in and out. So I just turned it, and I kept turning it and turning it and turning it until it made a big enough hole to where my wooden skewer would fit through. So you're just going to continue to do this, okay, all the way through. These are super, super easy to make. And then what you're going to do to test it is you can try to fit your wooden skewer through there and see if it fits, and it does fit. And then I just twist it and twist it until I know that, you know, that hole is big enough, okay? And that's it. That's all you're going to do. And then we're going to wait for our little bottoms to dry, and then we're going to put this together. Okay, I'm back. So I have my two bulbs that we poked our holes in, and now we're going to go ahead and put this together. So what you're going to do is, before you glue anything, this is what I suggest. You're going to go ahead and you can cut the tip off of this part because you really don't need it. So we're just going to cut that off, just like that. And then you're going to go ahead and set that in there. Then whichever color you want on the top or the bottom, that's the one you're going to put in first, okay? Then you're going to go ahead and put in your next one. And you're going to have the little nibbies on the top, okay? Then you're going to go ahead and mark it with a pin, okay? And I'm going to get a marker. Let's see. So I'm just going to get like a marker, and I'm just going to mark it like about maybe like right up to that line there. Let's see here. Right where your line of your little nib is showing, okay? Right at that edge. So once you get your pen, so you're going to get your pen, and you're just going to mark a line where the edge is of the top of your little bulb here, okay? That open spot. And that's where you're going to cut your skewer, your wooden skewer. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to go ahead and cut that. Okay, just like that. Now you can go ahead and glue this down. So you're just going to go ahead and put glue on the bottom there. Fit that inside, just like that. Okay. And then if you want to, you can add some more glue, because I'm going to add more glue. Okay. Then you can go ahead and fit your little bulbs down inside of here. There we go. And then, and I go ahead and I glue mine. I don't remember if she did that or not, but I'm going to do that. And then you're just going to go ahead and put that one inside. And I think I was going to have the red on the top. Oh, well, that's okay. No worries. Let's see here. Get this through there. There it goes. Okay. So now you can see my wooden dowel right here. Okay. And you're just going to go ahead and hold it for a sec. Okay. And voila, it's done. Then you're going to go ahead and grab this part of your little top of your, or the bottom of the glass that you painted, right? Because we have one on the bottom here. You're going to flip this over, and you're just going to set it on top of there. Okay. And I don't know how she got hers to fit, but mine doesn't fit. So I'm just going to go ahead and place glue on top of here. Okay. Let it kind of go down a little bit, and I'm just going to go ahead and hold it just like that. And then you can put your candle up on top. So I'm just going to hold this, hold it, hold it, hold it. And then it should be okay. And there we go. So next you can go ahead and you can decorate around your areas here. So I'm going to go ahead and grab some items, and we'll go ahead and decorate. Okay, so I picked out some of the greenery and items from my stash, and I found these little pine cones in there, and I thought that they would look really cute. And I know it's hard for y'all to see. I'm going to try to decorate this where it's facing upward, but that's going to be a little hard because it's hard to see when I need it like flat, but that's okay. We'll get through this. So I went ahead and just grabbed my greenery and just hot glued everything down. And then I went ahead and just stuck some things on there and yeah, just kind of decorated the way that I wanted it. I did have these large holly berries, and so I thought, you know what, those would look perfect on here. I was going to try to stick the whole thing on there, but it just wouldn't work. So I ended up just taking them all apart and using them separate. So these small clustered ones I went ahead and stuck on the bottom, which I think was a great idea because then I stuck the large ones up on top. And you'll see here in a minute. And so see how that looks? It looks so pretty. Now this one I was going to go ahead and just stick on there like that, but I don't think it really went with what I had in mind. So I just went ahead and I ended up cutting the larger ones here in a minute. So here's where I just ended up cutting everything off of the big leaves. And I was going to use these big leaves, but they looked like bat wings to me. So they were just way too big. And so I ended up using some smaller leaves that I had from my stash. And then I went ahead and stuck the berries on there. And yeah, so it looked a lot better, I think, than using those big leaves. So now I'm just going to go ahead and add these little berries, and I cut them apart, and I'm just going to stick them back behind or next to the pine cone there, and then I'll grab a candle and we'll be done. Okay, you guys, I'm back, and I wanted to share with you real quick that you need a candle that is going to fit around the circumference of the top part of our candle holder. If you get something smaller, it's not going to work because of that little nib that is right here on the bottom of the cup holder. So you need something that is going to be a little bit bigger, okay, that's going to fit on top of there just like that. And you guys, were done. I can't believe this was such a simple, easy way to create a decor for your Christmas. And I just think that this is so cute. And you can just use stuff in your stash. How cute is that, right? I mean, and then you can paint these silver. You can paint them whatever color. You could even put glitter on these, you guys. I just think that would be super nice and very festive. And you could put these on a mantle. You can put them on, you know, a desk. You can put them anywhere. So even on your table. So, thank you so much for joining me today. And I hope you all had fun, and I hope you were inspired to try this. So again, you'll get the little cups over at the Dollar Tree, and just use your stash. So thanks again. Go check out what Rosa made today, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.